Welcome to SigniFlow User Training. This will be your login screen. You will be able to log in using your username, which will always be your email address, and the password that you have created during registration. Should you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. The link will redirect you to the Forgot Password page, where you will be able to enter your email address and click on Send. You will then receive an email that will assist you with your password reset. We will now return to the login page and we will be able to log in with the details that we are registered with on SigniFlow. Once logged in, you will land on the dashboard. On the dashboard, we have pending, which is workflows awaiting on your signature. Circulating will be workflows that you have sent out for signature. Any workflows that you have cancelled will end up in this basket. Kindly note, you will not be able to reaction a workflow once it is inside of this basket. You will have to start the workflow from scratch. Then we have expired. You will be able to find your expired workflows in this basket. Should a workflow be expired, the workflow cannot be reactioned. You will have to redo the workflow. All of the workflows that you have rejected or that someone in your workflow has rejected will be in this rejected basket. Also note, once a document is inside of the rejected basket, we will not be able to reaction that workflow as you will have to redo that workflow. The completed basket will be compiled of workflows that you have created and has been completed by the signers you have added to that specific workflow. In your draft basket, you will be able to find workflows that you were busy with but have not yet completed. This will be if you were busy with a workflow and you accidentally closed the browser or your power unexpectedly went down. Kindly note, the system will only save the workflow and not the fields that you have already placed on the document. In Shared with Me will be documents that has been sent to you to either view or sign or approve. Then we have portfolios, which I will be able to explain to you better in part 3 of the user training. So for now, we can think of a portfolio as a file containing multiple documents. In the deleted basket will be all of the documents that you have deleted from your dashboard. It is important to note that we do not actually store the document, but we do store the audit trail for security purposes. Title will just indicate to you as to how many workflows you have used so far. Available will indicate the amount of workflows you can still use. On the left-hand side in the profile section, you will be able to view My Details. This will be your details as you have registered with SigniFlow. Kindly note, the only thing you will be able to update will be your mobile number. To set up your signature, you will be able to go to Edit Signature and set up the signature that you would like to use to sign your documents. Depending on your business preferences, you will be able to choose one of the display fonts as your signature. You will be able to draw your signature using the mouse of your computer. You will be able to use a mobile phone QR code, which you can scan with your phone or your tablet. Or you will be able to click on Upload Signature and upload an image file of your signature. Kindly note, this needs to be an image file of the highlighted file formats and also not exceeding 1 megabyte. Click in the box to bring up your files, select your signature and click on Open. Kindly ensure that whichever signature format that you have selected to use is highlighted in this red border. To set up your initial, go to Edit Initial. And again, we will have the option of either selecting a font, drawing out your initial, either by using the mouse of your computer or scanning the mobile QR code, or we can upload an initial using an image file and not exceeding 1 megabyte in size. Again, it is important to remember to have your initials selected in a red border. Also, in the profile section, we will be able to reset our password. We can reset our password by typing in the current password, type in a new password, confirm the new password, and click on update. Then we have contacts, and in our contacts, we will be able to create individual contacts by clicking on add contact, where you will be able to enter the user's first name, last name, and email address. Should you not have the mobile number, kindly note that this is an optional function. And once we've entered our contact's details, we can click on Save Contact and find our contact in the contact list. You can also upload contacts using bulk upload. We can also upload our contacts in bulk. Click on Example, click on Excel or CSV, select your file, and click on Save. Once your file has downloaded, we can then open the file, drag the file over, and we can then insert the rest of our user's details. We will also be able to upload our contacts in bulk by clicking on Bulk Upload. Should you require an example, we can click on Example. From there, click on Excel, name your file, and click on Save. Once your file has downloaded, we can open the file. This is what that file would look like. And we can then enter the first name of our user, copy the mobile number to as many users as you'd like. If you have their mobile number, you're more than welcome to enter them here and create the rest of your users. Thereafter, click on Save. And once your contact list has been saved, we can close the contact list, click on Upload, select your contact list, and click on Open. Once we are satisfied with our contacts displayed, we can submit the contact list and find our 3 contacts that we've just uploaded in bulk.